Hey y'all, happy day number 5 of Vlogmas. Did I say I won't be saying that in every video? So what am I looking for? I'm looking for something. I'm looking for my tripod. That's what I'm looking for. So I don't have to walk around holding this camera. But it's not in here. I don't know where I put it. So here's the deal. We were actually going to go outside today and piddle around in the garden. Well, two things. One, it's windy. Two, it's cold. Let me show you. I don't want to be out there like this. Y'all see them trees moving? I don't want no parts of it. Nope. So I'm going to stay right in the house. Look at all them leaves. And if I zoom in, hopefully you can see. Look at my potatoes. The frost has killed them. I'm really scared to go out there and see what else is going on because I told y'all this is like a test for me to do this whole gardening thing in the winter. The peas, I'm sorry about that. The peas are looking okay. I really need to get out there so we can see it close up, but I'm not brave enough because it's kind of cold. So the high today is 53 degrees, but it feels like 27. No, I ain't gonna be able to do it. Not gonna be able to do it. Oh no, not gonna be. Okay, what's the shirt for today? Let's see what the shirt for today is. Let me see if I can prop the phone up, but while I look for my tripod. This is probably not the smart. Whoa, that is not the smartest thing. This is from the Hip Hop Nutcracker that I went to. Well, the shirt is not from the Hip Hop Nutcracker, but we went to see the Hip Hop Nutcracker in 2022. So another oldie but goodie. This is the shirt. My friend Machetta made them because a group of us girls went and it was so fun. I don't think we're going to see anything this year. I missed the Nutcracker because that was last night. So I didn't get to see that. What is this? Pudding? Is this butterscotch? Looks like butterscotch pudding. It's my daughter's. I don't even know why I'm in her business on the kitchen counter. That's not mine. Leave it alone. So anyway, yeah, I missed the Nutcracker, which was last night. I don't know that I'm going to get to see anything. And I really wanted to see that. The Hip Hop Nutcracker is coming back. I didn't get tickets for that. I need to see a ballet. That's what I need in my life. I need air fryer kale chips. Girl, focus. Focus. Let me save this recipe. Hold on. Dang, it disappeared. Y'all know how the little device, your little, I don't want to say her name because she real nosy. When you know, your device, they have the recipes that come up. So if it comes back, then I'm going to save it. But it was air fryer kale chips. Y'all know that's my thing right there. That's right up my alley. But anyway, what am I doing right now? Need to clean the kitchen. But I wanted to show y'all. I was going to put I think I told you I was going to put the Christmas wreaths on the back of the chair. I think I found a way. I cannot remember how I did it before. Oh, those chairs were different. Now that I think about it, because I was able to hot glue it because I had wrought iron kitchen chairs. The back was wrought iron. Not my back, but the chair back was wrought iron. So let me show y'all the little idea that I came up with. I have the wreath hanging on the chair. I'm using ribbon that I use for gift wrap when I wrap gifts. So I took it down. I went under and I need to straighten this out so that when you sit down, it's not twisted. I wouldn't mind if it's twisted right here. Don't pay my hands no mind. I know they ashy. But, dog, man, I didn't want it to be twisted because I don't like the way it looks twisted. But anyway, I haven't cut it yet, but I'm going to go with that. I don't think that looks really bad. It'll go flat against the chair. It's just that little thin ribbon, so you're not going to feel it when you sit here. But I think I like this. I think I like that. And then I'll probably tie like a little baby bow up at the top. And as you can see, I found all 4 of my silver chargers. So let me step back. I need to fix these 2 ribbons. These 2 napkin rings. So I'm going to fix those today. Then the table will be done. So I'm going to put those on the table. Very simple, but I like it because everything flows. And then we have the red wreath. And it's just like that whole theme, like the red is going through. And I forgot that I did keep this tree over here last year, so I got to fix that today also. I just need to hot glue it. And I said I was going to zhuzh it up. I think I have some silver and red, like, you know, to match the silver and red, like little things that I can glue on here just to make it, you know what? Now that I think about it, I don't think I'm going to do too much because I like the rustic look of it. So I'm thinking I might just glue the lights on better and leave it as is. As you can see, I also took down some of the wine glasses and just left the 2 stemless wine glasses up here. But yeah, I have not put lights up yet. I know I'm behind, but we getting it together. We getting it. I want to make some soup because it is so cold, but I think I have. No, I thought I had some soup made, like a vegetable soup. I got potato soup here. I don't want that. I want like a brothy vegetable soup. So I'm thinking, what do I have that I could use? I don't want any potatoes. I just want like onion. I could make cabbage soup. Oh my gosh. I have cabbage. I have a cabbage. I have celery. Oh, y'all look that. I have cabbage. I have celery. I have carrots. I have mixed bell peppers. I have mushrooms. I have onion. I'm going to make a vegetable soup. So we're going to make a soup. It's going to be quick and easy. No meat, just all veggies. We have the squash, delicata squash, cabbage, celery, bell peppers, onions, garlics, mushrooms, and carrots. Just a real quick brothy soup. We're going to season it with bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, probably some Creole seasoning, and that is going to be, oh, and I think I have a vegetable seasoning. So we're going to just make that and maybe have it with some rice or, you know, on the side, maybe. But this is going to be perfect. All right, so I have my carrots, some mushrooms. I think I just went over all the ingredients. This is going to be a rough chop. It's not going to take long to actually make this. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off. Like, I need to wash the carrots. I need to wash the mushrooms. I need to peel and dice the squash. The peppers, they're already clean. I've been using them, so I'm just going to dice these up. I'm going to cut up my celery. It's kind of limp, but we're going to use that celery, get this cabbage washed, and we're going to go ahead and get our broth together. I'm not going to use a pressure cooker. I'm just going to cook it on the stovetop. I need deeper pots. I need to invest in some really good pots for my kitchen. I mean, these are good pots. This whole T-file set is very good. But I want like the ceramic, stainless steel. I want the cast iron pots and pans that are coated in ceramic. That's what I want. So, but for now, we're going to use Old Faithful. You've never steered me wrong. I hope y'all can hear me. My dishwasher is going. So, into the pot, I'm going to put some dried chili peppers. Just going to do a couple. I'm going to do 3. Couple tablespoons of my favorite bouillon. Ooh, I just got bouillon all over the stove. We'll do like 3. Because I think that's going to be my salt source. Because I don't need to add no salt. So we got our bouillon. We have some chilies. We're going to go in with some onion powder. Hold on. Let's open the top. We're going to go in with onion powder. Some garlic powder. Why can I not get it open? We're gonna go in with a little bit of paprika. We know that this is not really flavorful, but in my mind, it's that time. Ooh, I just want you to be free. Okay, anyway, just a little bit of paprika, just because I said so. Let's go in with a little chipotle. I like stuff spicy, so there's that. Let's drop in some of the dried thyme. You don't really need much. That's all the thyme I'm gonna use. And some dried oregano. This is called garden vegetable, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that in here. I don't know how much salt is in it or sodium, but we're just gonna shake a little. And this is all I'm gonna use as the mixture, and we'll taste it right now because it's just water with seasoning in it, and we're gonna taste it to see if I need to add anything. Ooh, she's spicy. Needs something. Something is missing. Last thing I'm gonna add is the turmeric. I came up here to show y'all. I'm gonna fix these napkins rings real quick. I hope I have enough glue. I found one little lonely glue stick, and it's just like a little piece of one in here. So, and look, I can't even push nothing out. Look, ain't even no glue coming out. So we're gonna put that in here, and hopefully it will start melting soon. But the soup is on. I put all the other vegetables in first because I wanted them to So in maybe another 5 minutes, I'll be able to put the cabbage in. Let's see if this is warm yet. Oh, it's warm. So all I'm doing is putting some glue. Wait a minute, hold on. Look, you trying to escape. Just putting a little bit of glue on the back of the snowflake. Like that. And then I'm going to take the napkin ring and sit it up there. Like that. Let it sit for a few minutes before I manipulate it. And we're going to do this last one. And there you have it. So I'm going to let these completely dry before I put the napkins in them. It's dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put my napkin ring on. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the table. And then I'm going to finish hanging the wreaths. Y'all know I struggle with that word. But I'm going to finish hanging those on the back of the chair. I'm gonna show you the soup real quick and then we're gonna end for today. Woo! Don't she look good? So good. I added some tomatoes.